Cesaro, Randy Orton, Sheamus. It's shaping up to be one hell of a pay-per-view. It's gonna be a heck of a championship match.
I just can't get over John Cena. You know, last week, he interrupted me, and now this week, why is he getting involved with the Shield? I don't understand.
It doesn't matter, Steph. I guarantee you, this is the last time you're ever gonna see the Shield.
Excuse me. Hi, guys.
Hi, Vicky.
I took it upon myself to be here tonight to celebrate with both of you. There is no more Brad Maddox or Daniel Bryan. Shall we?
I fired you once, Vicky. Don't make me do it again. Get out. I said get out!